Hey, what's up everybody? So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can improve the interior of your GTR or well any other car really, and we're gonna do that by changing the lights of the GTR with LED lights. And I'm not just gonna show you how to replace them, but I'm just gonna show you how to do the lights on the license plate, because let's be honest, they look terrible with that old yellow. It look like an old car, especially on GTR. I feel like it should have like the luxury looking LED lights. So let's go outside and I will show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see, this is exactly what I'm talking about. It looks like it doesn't look good. So on this video I'm gonna show you how to change those lights right there, this one here, on here in the door, and I also gonna show you the one on the trunk and the license plate. But before I go to that, let me show you how the ones on the license plate look. I don't know if you're gonna able to see this, but it has that yellow color and I really don't like it, so hopefully it looks better. And actually the one on the trunk, it doesn't even illuminate that much. As you can see, the light on the trunk, you can barely see anything, so hopefully we can change that with the LED lights. Okay, so in order to do this job, all we really need is like a plastic tool. I want to recommend like a metal screwdriver, because it can damage the interior, like the plastic part, and so I would recommend something plastic like this. That would be the best thing to do it with. It's really simple, but you really need something like this in order to take the parts off. So let's start by changing replacing those lights. So in order to do that, all you really need to do is put something here and just pop it. I really need both of my hands to do this, so I will really show you like I would like to. So I need to put the camera down, but after that I will show you how to take out the ball and all that. So as you can see, I haven't really taken it all the way out, but the way I did it is I put this in there like that, pop it here on the side, and then I went over here, and it should be coming off really easy and simple. I don't know if you can tell, but all it is in there is like a little bolt. All you do is pull it out, and then you replace it with the LED lights. You can compare it side to side. There's a big ass difference, and actually it even looks way brighter. So in this video I'm just gonna show you one side. I'm gonna show you how to do this one because it's the same thing. I'm trying to make this video short, so I'm just gonna show you on the driver's side. So let's just put this on. All you do to put it back on is like pretty much push it in, and that's it. To change this one, it's really simple too. All you have to do is pretty much pop this off, and you can do it. Oh, I just did it. It's that simple. You can take, as you can see, and all you do is take that bolt out, and that's it. And then you just put the other one out. There's the new bolt. As you can see, it looks so much brighter. So in order to put this back, all you have to do again is just push it back in it, and it's that simple. So let me put this back, and then I compare the old one with the new light. New light, and that's the old one. As you can see, that's it looks so much better, and I'm pretty sure you can tell that it looks so much brighter too. And by the way, I just changed both of them. So now let's do the one in the door, which is this one, and it's pretty much the same thing. All you do is put in there, and you just pull it out. All you have to do, like I said, take this out, put the light bulb on, put the new one, and that's how it looks. It looks so much better. So now let's do the one on the license plate. So the one on the license plate is just really simple. All you have to do is it has like a little hook in there. All you have to push it and then pull it, and then after you pull it, you have to twist this. It has like a little hook there. Twist it, and the body should be coming off. So let's replace them and see how it looks. So you can see it looks so much better. That's the new one, that's the old one. Now let's change the one in the trunk. So the one in the trunk is a little tricky. I'm gonna try to focus it as much as I can. So it's over here, and in order to take that one out, it has like a little hook in there. I don't know if you can see. So you have to push it out and then pull that cover off, and then it should be showing off the light bulb, and the light bulb you just pull it out and put the new one in. The one in the trunk, it does really make a big difference. And I'm going to with these lights, because it does make a big difference. So after you replace the bulb, all you have to do is push it back, and that should be it. But like I say, it makes a big difference, and it looks so much brighter. As you can see, it looks so much better, and it looks brighter too, especially in the trunk. That's the one I'm really glad I changed it. And even on the license plate, it looks so much better. And it's really cheap and simple to do that. So I got mine on around like $14 to $12 on eBay. So I would really suggest for you to do that, because it makes a difference. I hope this video was really helpful for you and that you really like it. Thank you for watching.